Look at her. Look at her woman, man. Babies, welcome back to my channel. My name is Chantel. If you're new here, I do fashion, beauty and lifestyle content. If that's the type of content you're interested in watching, please continue to watch and don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. So I was about to do some content for my social media platforms and I was about to do my makeup anyway, so I decided to film a makeup tutorial for you guys on YouTube. And yeah, I think I'm just gonna do like a voiceover of what I'm doing because it's gonna take more time if I talk through everything. So I'm just gonna do a voiceover and I'll be playing some music. So yeah, let's get started. Okay guys, so the first thing I normally do is apply moisture to my face. So I like to use the Cetaphil moisturizing lotion or this collagen, retinol and hyaluronic acid cream from Simply Vital. These are like the two best moisturizer for me when it comes to doing my makeup. It helps to like hydrate my skin underneath all that foundation, and I just love to use that because it is of course the winter time and I have to keep my skin moisturized underneath or my makeup will look cakey. Okay guys, so the second step is just adding some moisture to my lips. I don't know about you, but I hate when I do my makeup and my lips are completely dry. So I normally go in like with my Laneige or any form of like lip balm or gloss, just so I could add a little bit of moisture to my lips. Okay, so as you see, I use the spoolie to brush my brows out, and now I'm just using the Nabi lip liner in dark brown just to line my eyebrows. I like to use lip liners. I don't know, there's something about like that creamy consistency that I just love to use it on my brows. I haven't used like an eyebrow pencil in a long while, but yeah, I like to use lip liners on my eyebrows for some reason. And I'm just using the Nabi lip liner in dark brown and it gets the job done perfectly. I love that it's not too dark and it's perfect enough for me to like blend out, and it looks good when I conceal it and everything. Okay guys, so the next step is concealing. I love this concealer from L'Oreal. It is absolutely my favorite. I cannot be out of this concealer. If I'm out, I have to like repurchase like right away. I absolutely love this concealer. It brightens underneath my brows and it doesn't do too much. It's not too light. I used to like using like lighter, very light concealers underneath my brows, and I realized that I didn't really need that anymore. And this is just the perfect shade, perfect consistency, and I absolutely love that. I love this concealer. And yeah, that's the next step, cleaning up underneath the brows and making it more defined and precise. Okay guys, so I also went in with my foundation shade just to clean up the top half of my brows, and then I started blending out everything with just like a eyeshadow brush. I know when you feel good, know when you sad, what get you mad, things you done been through. I know the real you, and he got your life. Okay baby, so here I like to use like a lighter shade of brown in my crease. Girl, don't ask me why, I just love the look. And I normally use the Juvia's Place Deep Dark palette. I use the lighter shade in my crease. It just gives that nice effortless look. And actually when I do my contour on my nose, it just blends very good, very seamless, and just looks, you know, classy and cute. Okay, so moving on to the face, I normally prep my skin with the Milk Hydro Grip primer. It's the absolute best primer. I don't think any primer compares to this. I've been using this one for years and it always does what it needs to do. It has that extra grip so your foundation doesn't. And of course, after primer, it's foundation, and I recently switched my foundation to this L'Oreal Infallible 24-hour full wear. Child, why did no one tell me about this foundation? Girl, it does not move and it blends in the skin so seamlessly, flawlessly. Like, it's lightweight but it still gives full coverage. Like, my face doesn't feel cakey when I use it. It's just the absolute best foundation I've ever used, and of course it's drugstore too, so affordable. Okay, dolls, so the next step is to brighten our under eyes, and of course I love using the Too Faced Born This Way multi-use sculpting concealer in the shade Maple and also Butterscotch. I use Maple first just to get that base flawless look first, and then I use Butterscotch to give like a highlight underneath, like that Barbie look, because I am a Barbie, so yeah, I like that look.
Been a while since I saw you. Only well wishes for you. Try my best to ignore you. Baby, you one of a kind. Heard you got a man, hope he spoils you. Cause you deserve someone loyal. Someone who can adore you. Yeah. I know when you feel good. Know when you sad. What get you mad? Things you done been through. I know the real you. And he got your life out of control. Baby, you way out of this league. Let me show you real love. Can love you better. Can love you better. Can love you better. Can love you better than him. Yeah. Can love you better. Can love you better. Can love you better. Can love you better than him. Since I saw you, couldn't wait just to know you. We just clicked when we spoke to. Baby, you been on my mind. And I been around the world, seen many faces, couldn't find her. Yeah, girl, you was all I was missing this whole time. I know when you feel good, know when you sad. What get you mad? Things you done been through. I know the real you, and he got your life out of control. Baby, you way out of this league. Let me show you real love. Can love you better. Can love you better. Can love you better. Can love you better than him. Yeah. Can love
Okay, honey, so it's time to set our concealer. So I go in with the Laura Mercier setting powder in Warm Honey. And girls, just look how seamless and flawless it makes the makeup look after I set it. It definitely gives a airbrush finish in my opinion. Ooh, now it's time to contour our nose and cheeks, honey. Okay, we need to get that snatched, chiseled face. Okay, so I then go in again with the Juvia's Place deep dark palette, and I do use the lighter shade again. I never touch that dark shade. It's a little bit too dark for me, but the light shade is just perfect. And just look how snatched my nose and jawline looks after using this.
only well wishes for you. to ignore you. Baby, you one of a kind. Heard you got a man, hope he spoils you. Cause you deserve someone loyal, someone who can adore you. Yeah, I know when you feel good, know when you sad, what get you mad, things you done been through. I know the real you, and he got
If blush is not your favorite step in the makeup routine, we cannot be friends. Because what? What? There can never be too much blush, in my opinion. Like, I go ham with the blush because it's the first thing that fades away in the skin. So yeah, go ham with the blush, girls, okay? Yeah. And I love to use that orange shade from the Volume 1 palette from Jovia's Place. It's my favorite shade to use, and if it's not that shade, it's the Barbie doll pink from the Volume 4 palette. Okay, so I went ahead and added the Huda Beauty eyeliner to my waterline, as well as the NYX vinyl liner, using it as just something to add some beauty spots. The point of that eyeliner from NYX is so pointy and it's so precise, and it doesn't go everywhere on my face, so I love to use that as, you know, just a beauty spot liner. Now, apart from adding blush, my absolute favorite part in a makeup routine is the lips. The lips, honey, okay? I recently bought this lip liner, this Maybelline lip liner in Walmart, and it is so rich and creamy. Like, the consistency of the liner just glides on your lips, and it gives just a very nice, not too brown, but just that perfect shade that could, you know, be like blended out with like a nude or a light pink. I just really love this lip liner. It goes well with so many of my lip glosses and lipsticks, and it pairs well with the Jovia's Place lip gloss in bronze sugar, as well as the Bath and Body Works lip tint in pink mint. I love that lip combo, and that has been my lip combo for like the past few months now. Okay. So after all those powders and the foundation, concealer, all that good stuff, we have to set our face, and my absolute favorite setting spray to use is the Morphe Setting Mist. I absolutely love it. I could swear on this product. It is so good. It is so good. It will hold your makeup in place. And apart from this setting spray, I like to use the setting spray from Milk. That is my second favorite, but yeah, it's either one of those two. I love them. I love them real bad. And then I also go in to just make sure everything's locked in place with my Charlotte Tilbury setting powder in medium. I love to use that setting powder as my like last step to just lock everything in place and make sure I have that flawless, seamless, you know, just effortless, glowy look. Yeah. Okay, baby, so this is the finished look. It looks absolutely gorgeous. My skin is just glowing underneath, very hydrated. Oh girl, please tell me if you like this. Be in the comments. It's 15 to 20 minutes, so it's not too long, very quick, and it looks very flawless and very good. Like, I'll be sure to link all the products that I use down in the description so you guys can go purchase and yeah, achieve this flawless look as well. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye.